You should note WISE is now tightening its rules. It is shutting down many US LLC accounts if you cannot provide a trading business address. This can be almost impossible for most non-US digital nomads who don't have physical presence in the US. And unfortunately, there are not many good options to replace WISE for the non-US resident US LLC only, like the multi-currency global accounts, debit cards, and so on. Plus, there is growing evidence that US LLC structure is becoming more unstable and less welcoming for non-US entrepreneurs. A big recent piece of news is that US is proposing a 5% remittance tax for all payouts from the US banks in the near future. If you are aware of this uncertainty, you are probably already asking yourself, what is the alternative and the backup plan for my current US LLC business? In my previous videos, I have already discussed how a Hong Kong LLC can be structured with a US LLC to solve the tax loophole. I also have another videos explaining the difference between US LLC and Hong Kong LLC. In this video, I will focus on the banking side. I will show you the perfect alternative to WISE in Hong Kong and how they work. So imagine if WISE decided to close your US LLC account, you could have a quick and fully functional backup to move your entire business to Hong Kong, a truly open economy. I will break it down into these points. Number one, what are the business account alternatives to WISE in Hong Kong? Number two, how do they actually work like WISE? Number three, what are the onboarding requirements for the business account? This include whether you will face the same trading address issue with the Hong Kong. Number four, what is the timeline for the whole setup? It is important for those who need the urgent solutions. As usual, at the end of the videos, I will share you a real kind of story about how a Hong Kong setup helped them after WISE closed their US LLC account. Struggling with the capacity of setting up an offshore companies in Hong Kong, I'm Raymond, a certified accountant here to simplify the process for international clients. Unlike the agency or middlemen, my team and I offer direct and hands-on assistance. We have successfully supported thousands of expats and digital nomads in setting up and maintaining their Hong Kong companies. If you are looking for clear, actionable advice, please like, share, and subscribe for more Hong Kong and international tax strategy. Let's explore. As of these videos, there are at least 10 licensed fintech companies available in Hong Kong. They provide business account service at different levels to Hong Kong registered companies. They are similar to what WISE is offering to US LLC, or even better in my experience. They widely accept the various industry and the business type, and the entire onboarding process is remote, online, and quick. I'm listing them out in the descriptions below, so feel free to visit their website if you need to dive into each one. And here is the interesting news as well. WISE has recently started offering the global account service for Hong Kong companies as well. In summary, these fintechs in Hong Kong adopt similar technology to WISE. Most of them offer basic multi-currency local and international accounts, allowing you to hold, receive, and send different currencies locally and internationally with low banking fees. You can easily connect them to Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, etc. Here is an example from Air Wallets. You can easily open a local bank account under your Hong Kong company's name in different currency on their system. For example, a German local bank accounts with an IBAN numbers. Bonus point, some of them also offer the Visa or Master debit cards like what WISE used to offer for non-residents. Let's look at the following layers regarding the onboarding requirements. Number one, the business nature they accept. Number two, the residency of director and shareholder. Number three, the place of operations. For the business nature, I would say most business types are qualified. We have clients working in consultancy, e-commerce, selling digital or physical products, cross-border trading, SaaS, digital marketing, real estate facilitations, etc. Unless your business operates in high-risk or sanctioned countries, you will generally be accepted. Second, the bank and fintechs are open for all companies registered in Hong Kong. It doesn't matter if your Hong Kong company is foreign-owned or not. There is no restrictions on the residency of the director and the shareholder. As you may know, I mainly work for international entrepreneurs, digital nomad, or non-residents. My clients are from European, Africa, and USA. Basically, Hong Kong is open for everyone. Last point, similar to residency, there is no limitations for the place of operations. You will be asked for the trading address. However, it doesn't have to be in Hong Kong. You may simply provide your residential address proof from where you are staying, like personal bank statements or rental agreements. Even if you are from Russia, as long as you are not physically residing or doing business in Russia, you can also easily get a business account. This shows Hong Kong is truly open for international business. In my client's experience, the fintech companies can complete the onboarding process and activate the business account in average 4 to 7 working days. The application process is self-serve and online. You will upload all required documents, including the passport of the directors and shareholders, then the business information like your business website, social media, transaction samples, documents, etc. I explained the details of the KYC process in this video. Feel free to check it out after this one. Let's look at the real successful story. A client from France residing in Bangkok had been running a Shopify store selling online fitness courses under the US LLC for many years. He received money from Stripe and PayPal, then paid out to his wife's account under the US LLC. Everything works well and simple for years until last month. Wise informed him his US LLC account will be closed in next 2 weeks because they did not accept his trading address in Thailand. He found us and we set up a Hong Kong company for him in just 2 days. I refer him to our partners at Airwallex and PayPal for the urgent help. Luckily, he kept very well records of his Wise and PayPal transactions. He got his business account in Airwallex and PayPal account in just 4 days, then smoothly transiting his entire Shopify business to the new Hong Kong company and continue to grow his business without a big impact. This is a very typical story indeed, and we have been helping a lot of clients with similar scenarios. In conclusion, if you simply compare the banking facilities between the US LLC and the Hong Kong company, especially for non-US residents, Hong Kong has more flexible, stable, and predictable banking environment, as well as a variety of the choices that can offer the same level of the global banking services as Wise. I hope this videos can give you some useful ideas. If you're considering setting up a business in Hong Kong, don't hesitate to book me a one-on-one consultation. I'm happy to personally guide you through the process based on your unique situations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.